Welcome back. Now, most shopping carts and affiliate networks give you an alternative to presenting the traditional sales funnel. One way that you can present a customer with another offer and to have that product sale credited to an affiliate is to use what's called an order bump. Now, in Warrior Plus, this feature is not active on all accounts and will depend on scores specific to the network for an individual operating on that network. However, assuming that you do have the feature available, what you can do is you can go inside of a specific offer, and you're going to click on the specific product within that offer. What you're going to notice here is that there's an area called Inline Upsell. This is basically traditionally known as an order bump. What you can do is you can click on this button that says New Inline Upsell. And basically, you can select a product that you already have available on the network, and you can add in a special price for that product because the individual will then have the opportunity to make the purchase along with the main product. You can choose to show the product image. You can choose a specific commission rate for this specific inline offer or bump offer. Now, inside of Warrior Plus, what you can do is you can then click Save. And you will have set up your inline offer. You can then X out of the inline upsell. And what you've now done is you've now set it up so that when an individual comes to make the purchase of this specific product, they will then have the option of getting another offer at the checkout. What the customer will then see is they'll then be able to click a checkbox to add on the bump offer that you have made. And this is an alternative in order to present an offer to a person and to have the affiliates who promote your product credited for the sale. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.